Ukraine has launched drone attacks near Sevastopol, according to the Crimean city's governor. They follow other strikes this week in the north of the peninsula, which Kiev has insisted it must take back from Russian occupation. Ukrainian naval drones had tried to strike coastal bays in Sevastopol. However, they had been stopped by Russia's Black Sea Fleet, the Moscow-backed Sevastopol governor Mikhail Razvozhayev said on his Telegram channel. However, video of a fire near the entrance to the Sevastopol Bay is circulating on social media, although it was unclear exactly what was burning. Meantime, Russia is moving ancient T-54 tanks to Ukraine, after already deployed another old T-64 tanks. Ukrainian army didn't secede in Kherson because Russian troops left it in an extremely orderly manner. We certainly should not panic. Russian propagandists discuss future Ukrainian counteroffensive.
Товарищ генерал, пытливый зритель напомнит, что ВСУ долго, назойливо, навязчиво анонсировали Харьковскую область, там все у них получилось. Херсон анонсировали, там тоже, мы знаем сейчас, нет армии нашей страны.
Херсон у них не получился, потому что в Херсоне войска крайне организованно ушли по приказу старшего начальника. По сути, без боя, не потеряв ни техники, ни личного состава.
Я к тому, что к ханонцам надо прислушиваться, я только об этом. А то, что мы ушли организованно...
Есть аналитики, но мы точно не должны впадать в панику, еще не рассказывать об этом на всю страну.
President Zelensky visited Donbass. He met with Ukrainian warriors and presented awards. I am honored to be here today to award our heroes, to shake hands and thank them for protecting the sovereignty of our country. Volodymyr Zelensky.
Подякувати вам, потиснути руку, подякувати за те, що захищаєте державу, суверенітет, схід України. Дякую.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.